Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour at the construction of some new apartments in the New Kingston area. This is actually the residential part of New Kingston. So on the left is a new residential building. It's apartments. It's actually still under construction. Very nicely done. Seems to be about 4 or 5 floors high, which is rather small compared to some of the massive buildings that are going up in the New Kingston area. So we're just going to zoom in so you can see, get a better look at it. Now, New Kingston is like the Wall Street of Jamaica. So you're going to find that the office space in the New Kingston area is very expensive, as well as the residential apartments are also going to be at a premium price. And they have so many developments going on. This is one. This one doesn't have a sign or anything, so I don't know if this building even has a name yet. But behind it is the Cambridge, which is 2 towers, over 170 apartments. Then you have the Via at Braemar, which is 10 floors, 99 apartments. Then across from the Via at Braemar, you have a 6-story building that's under construction, that's also residential. Now, across from this building is the AC Hotel. It's on the other side of Lady Musgrave Road. So these are just some of the residential developments. And the Hampshire, which is 66 units, that one is finished, fully occupied, is also in this area. So we're going to drive around and look at these developments. And the Via at Braemar is also sold out. It's finished. Persons have moved in. Okay, straight ahead on the left now is the Argyle. That's also a residential complex, but it's not what we would consider a high-rise building. But that one is finished. And you'll be surprised, as fast as they build these buildings, they're sold out. Sometimes they're sold out before they even finish construction. This, as we said, this area has a lot of residential units. So if we were to continue straight, we'd go on to Trafalgar Road, and on the other side of Trafalgar Road is where you find more of the commercial buildings. Okay, now this is the Cambridge, and this is actually the largest apartment complex in Jamaica. It's over 172 units, and it's a 2 towers. We have videos up that go into the building in more detail, so you can check that out. And to the left of where we are now is the Hampshire. And the persons that built the Hampshire also built the Cambridge. And that's the Argyle on the left. So when the Hampshire went on the market, the 66 units were sold out within 3 days. 3 days. So the person said, okay, it's Guardian that built the Guardian Life that built them. They said, okay, 66 units sold out in 3 days, so we're going to build 172 units. So that's why with the success of the Hampshire, they decided to do the Cambridge. All right, so we're going to look at the villa at Braemar now, and then the construction. That's okay. There you can see on the left is the villa at Braemar, very nice building, and then to the right is a residential building that's under construction. Again, that building under construction doesn't have a name. There's no sign, so we don't have a name to refer to it yet, but it's residential. It's going to be apartments. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.